We are walking to a ferry boat right now. It's gonna take forever, but you know what? That's okay. There's Dee. And we are walking. Alright, we're gonna get something to drink now. But we're not getting any water because I forgot I had some. So we're just gonna stand here. Yeah. And wait. They have a bunch of these carts. They're annoying because every time they like grow something, this smoke gets all in your face and it's nasty. Oh, let's go by Abe's. Hey, Abe's. There's Abe's. We just got off a tour, a bus tour, and we didn't vlog because we thought it'd be rude to vlog while that guy was talking. But we're going, like, we're going on a ferry. Sorry about all the loud talking. Yeah, there's so many cars. Okay, we'll see you when we get to the ferry. Bye. Hey guys, it's the Tumble Queens. This is Kylie.
Hey, it's Dee.
And there's And we are at a restaurant. We're editing pictures for our video.
I'm about to just try this.
And
What the heck?
yeah, we just ordered our food. What are you getting?
Lemon herb chicken or something.
I thought it was grilled lemon chicken.
Okay, whatever.
I'm getting chicken fingers. Abe's, what are you getting?
Me, I'm getting chicken tenders, fries, and barbecue sauce.
I'm gonna be basic and get chicken tenders.
No, what the heck?
Everyone's getting like salad, like all
Everyone's getting
salads and like the same thing.
Guys.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Bye. Hi, it's the Tumble Queens. Well, Kylie's over there. And Dee, unfortunately, is not here because she doesn't feel very well.
So she left. And we did not get clips of us on the boat because
We were scared we were going to drop our phones.
yeah, because it was over water and we didn't want to drop our phones in the water. And we weren't even allowed to leave our seats once we started. Like, taking pictures. Yeah. Okay, so I fell asleep and I drooled all over my mom, and she got so mad. And she's like, "Tyler." Look, when I woke up, it like came out of my mouth and it was like stringy.
So, another funny story. Kylie actually in a news store with like Jimmy Fallon and stuff like that in New York.
NBC store. I think
NBC store. Kylie, yeah, she was messing.
I was messing around with chocolate covered M&Ms and I was like stirring it, and then I spilled basically almost all of them, and then I just left it there. And then I have a song to it. It's like, how did it go? It was like, I spilled. But it was like, I spilled chocolate M&Ms. Wait.
It was to hand them. It was like, I don't know how to spill chocolate.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
I know how to spill chocolate almond. Yeah. Well, it was better, but we forgot what it was now.
I know how to spill chocolate onions. Wait, chocolate onions?
Chocolate almonds.
What's his name? I said chocolate onions.
So
chocolate covered gummy bears.
that's nice. Yeah, so we probably won't vlog again today. This is probably a really short vlog, like a really short vlog.
We might do a video recently, but like not right now, really.
We can't
we
do
are
it
doing a video
tonight. Well, yeah, we can't do our video because Dee is not well.
We'll have to do it tomorrow.
Hopefully.
But we can't do it on Wednesday because we might do another video or vlog on the train or something like that.
This vlog is probably really short. It's probably literally like maybe like 5 minutes. So, well, yeah, this one, but like we have a few more videos. So we won't vlog again tonight, and if we do, then you'll obviously know I was wrong. Sorry, we probably won't. So we'll just probably see you in the morning.